Hello everyone! In today's video, I will be sharing my Christmas hot chocolate station with you. I also will be collabing with Shenell from Angelic Interiors by Shenell. Now she is a talented interior designer and she shares her beautiful home with us as well as some decorating ideas and DIYs. So after watching my video, please head over and check her out. I will leave the link to her video in the description box below. So let's get started. So first I started by laying out some greenery, and then I added a 3-tiered tray. I also added some miniature Christmas trees as well as these really cute blessed mugs from the Dollar Tree. My husband put together this chalkboard frame out of some scrap lattice board, and he also created the sign. Now as you can see, my color is turquoise blue, and if you saw my last year's Christmas video, I used blue in the kitchen. And so now I'm recycling the blue to the basement. And I will share the basement tour with you in a later video. So now I'm just adding these glittered blue berries for a pop of color to the evergreen trees. And so here I'm adding popcorn, because who doesn't like popcorn and hot chocolate? And next I'm adding a few snacks with these cream-filled wafers in dark chocolate from the Dollar Tree. Okay, next I'm adding 3 ramekin containers that I got from Pier 1 a couple years ago, and I'm placing the marshmallows, the hot chocolate, and the peppermints inside. Now I'm just adding a few more Christmas festive touches. Do you guys remember my match DIY container that I made a couple weeks ago? So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Christmas hot chocolate bar and a sneak peek of the basement. Now don't forget to go over and check out Shenell's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in another video on Friday. Bye-bye.